Hello, my name is Zoe. This video will tell you all about my app business idea. The app is called Around. Around will connect a community of users with venues and events in their local area. A group of friends are looking for something to do. Around will help them find a venue or event to attend. Here is another case where Around would be helpful. A group of people are at an event. They are not having a good time. They want to know where in their area is good right now. Around would allow them to find out instantly. Everybody carries a smartphone. Around is an app that would allow users to pin locations on a map. The pins would be up and down voted, commented on, and shared. Users would then be able to see the results and decide if they want to attend. This app draws upon the middle layers of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It allows people to interact with friends and channels them into things that they enjoy. The target audience is young adults, millennials, and students. People who have free time but don't want to waste it doing things that they will not find enjoyable. I made an arrow to introduce the idea of movement. The arrow moves in a circle linking back to the brand name. I chose the color orange because it represents adventure, happiness, enthusiasm, and fascination. It is also attractive to young people, which is the target audience. Here are the four main screen design mockups. First, we have the profile settings. Here the user can set their desired distance, keep track of their points, choose if they want their friends to be able to see their check-ins, and also has links to manage their account and sign out. Next is the feed. The feed will show new pins, recent updates made to pins, friends' comments, and friends' check-ins. Users can filter the feed to only see the content they want. Then we come to the map. The map is the main function of the app. It allows the user to see their location and pins that are close to them. The stronger the orange, the higher the rating. The blue pins are created by businesses. Users can add pins by clicking the blue button with a plus. Finally, there is the friends list. Users can show and hide their check-ins to friends, chat to friends, and create groups. Here is a pin profile. Users can see photos, a bio, location, and rating of the pin. There is also a link to comments and a check-in button. Users can up and down vote comments. The up and down votes of comments is how users gain and lose points. Scan the QR code to view a prototype of the app. It is best to view the prototype on a mobile with a full screen browser app installed on it. The biggest competitor would be Foursquare. Foursquare is a city-wide app that shows users a list of venues in an area. It also has profiles and ratings on each venue. The unique selling point of Around is all its content is live and completely up to date. The venues are available on a feed and on a map. It appeals to the target audience as throwaway social media is becoming a big trend. Now let's talk about the operations of the business. There will be 3 full-time staff: a business manager, developer, and designer. The business manager will run the day-to-day of the business, managing people, keeping product development on track, hiring contractors, have one finger in sales and a say in the marketing strategy. The developer will be CTO. They will be solely devoted to building the app. They will also help the business manager find other developers to contract in on different parts of the build. I will take on the role as designer. As the design for the app is completed, I will mainly be working alongside the business manager. I will also work on the marketing team. Developers, a marketing consultant, and salespeople will be taken on as contractors. Any salespeople taken on will work on commission at first. An agile workflow will be implemented. This will mean the app gets to market sooner, but only 1 or 2 functions will have been built. Working like this means that the marketing team can work on building a user base while the app is still being built. Smaller milestones, shorter deadlines. Users also get to shape the app. The build will be split into 3 phases. The map and login will be built within 5 months. It will then be launched onto the market. Then the feed and friends functions will be built later on and be released as updates. The app should be completed within a year. The map will be built using Google Maps API. This will mean speedier development time and reliable maps. The first 150,000 requests per day are free. This means the first few months, while there are fewer users, there will be no cost. Once the requests are exceeded, a credits system is implemented. This is the year 1 timeline for development. You can see the agile workflow has been implemented. After every launch, a month will be allocated to fix bugs and refine the app. Now let's talk about marketing. The app needs to have a wealth of users in an area to fulfill its use. This has shaped the marketing strategy. We will flood the target area with advertisement, posters and billboards in areas the target audience visits, and local ads on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Here are some mock-ups of how the poster advertisements will look. Here are some GIFs that could be used for a social media teaser campaign to get the brand out there before the launch. Here is the year one timeline for marketing. Once the app is released, a new area will be targeted every month to build up users in each area. Let's look at the sales strategy. Partner ads will be how the app will make money. Business that partner up with Around can take control of the message. They choose when they want to appear on the map and what images and offers are shared. They will also get user data on the users who are connecting with their adverts. The price will be a subscription, either monthly or yearly. Adverts could be introduced into the app if money gets tight. Banners and full screen ads are not favorable, could be possibilities. Adverts in the feed would be best as they are not as annoying to users. The sales timeline is similar to the marketing one. Partner subscriptions will be targeted to businesses in the areas users are being targeted. Now let's talk about finances. To gain the funds needed to start up and build the app, I will take out some startup loans. The Prince's Trust does loans of £7,500 for young people starting businesses. Banks also do loans starting at £25,000 and up to £100,000 for startup businesses. A company called Seedcamp have a good range of investments for startup tech businesses in Europe. This could be a possibility for Around. This is a graph showing Yik Yak's ranking in the App Store in its first year. I will use this to estimate possible projections for my app within the first year.